Hello learners, how are you all? Now let's start our next chapter in grammar, adjectives and degrees of comparison. So, what is adjective? An adjective is a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Okay? You all know noun. Noun is the name of person, place, things, ideas, animal. Okay? You all know what is noun. Then noun, like then adjective is a word that describes noun. Describe any person, describe any place, describe anything, or describe any idea or any dream, anything. Okay. Then like here, picture of noun is here. I had taken Sachin Tendulkar. Then adjective. Okay. You can use adjective. Sachin Tendulkar is a good cricket player, best cricket player, clever cricket player, okay, clever person. Then place, Taj Mahal is a beautiful place, it is an old place, white building. Or you in thing you could use words like colorful, colorful ball, 6 lines are there, it is a big ball. For dream, like you can use great dream, yesterday I had seen great dream, a scary dream, or a funny dream. So these are the words which describe any person, place, thing, or idea. These words are called adjective. Okay, so simply you can say that adjective is a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Now, kinds of adjective. Adjectives and its kind. Adjective means adjective is a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun. And kinds of adjective: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Now, what is adjective of quality? Adjective that indicate the adjective of quality, adjective that indicate the quality of a noun are called adjective of quality. Like the boy is intelligent. Okay, it is here the word intelligent describing the boy. Okay, then adjective of quality, it indicate the quality of a person, quality of a thing, quality of any object. Okay, next is the adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity, these adjectives are measuring words that modify the nouns. Example: enough, some, most, enough, much, and all. Okay, you can ask question like how much. Oh, if you are getting answer of how much, then it is the adjective of quantity. Okay, they answer the question how much. Next is adjective of number. Okay, sometimes we are confused in adjective of quantity and number, but simply if you will ask question how much, then it is adjective of quantity. And how many means we can count it, then it is adjective of number. Adjective of number tell us how many people or things, how many, okay, are being talked about, like 15, many, several, few, 1, 2, 5, 7. These are adjective of number. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective is demonstrative adjective point out which person or thing is meant. Okay, it point out like this person, that thing, that object, these boys, those trees, means point out anything, any person. Okay, so these are demonstrative objective. Demonstrative objectives are this, that, these, those, such, certain. Means when a word point out any person, place, or thing, that is demonstrative adjective. Next is interrogative. Interrogate means asking question. These adjectives are used along with nouns to ask questions like which book, what is your name, whose book. Okay, These are adjective of interrogative adjective. Next one is the possessive. Possessive adjectives are his books, my books, your books. Okay, these are the adjective, possessive adjective. Okay, now try to do first exercise. Fill in the blanks with adjectives from the box and mention their kinds. The first one has been done for you. First one is I want some sugar for making the cake. Adjective of quantity. You have to write also which kind of adjective it is. Okay. The first one some. Some sugar. Okay. I want some sugar. How much sugar you want? Some. Some is the adjective of quantity. Next, Mrs. Sharma. Mrs. Sharma dash books on philosophy. Mrs. Sharma has 2 books of philosophy. So second one is 2. 2 books on philosophy. 2 is the adjective of number. 2 I already told you. Then adjective of number 2. Okay, adjective number. Third one is the dash happened after you left. Third one, much happened after you left. Much happened. Okay, so it is adjective of quantity. He was the dash person to reach home. He was the first person. Adjective of number. She has dash money to visit Mumbai. She has enough money. She has enough. This is 5. Enough money to reach Mumbai. Visit Mumbai. Enough is the adjective of quantity. Dash students were chosen for the lead roles in the play. 6.1 is the a few students. Okay, a few is the adjective of a few students. How many students? A few students were chosen for the lead role in the play. Means we can, then it is adjective of number. Okay. His bike has been painted. 7th one. His bike has been painted red. Okay. Adjective of quality. Though the journey was dash, I managed to reach my destination on time. 8th one. 8th one is though the journey was long. Okay. Though the journey was, how was the journey? Journey was long. Adjective of quality. Dash people were present on the occasion. Dash people, several people. How many people? Several people. If you are asking question of how many, then it is adjective of number. The tortoise was dash but won the race. The tortoise was slow. 10th one is slow. Okay. Tortoise was slow. Adjective of quality. Quality of tortoise. Dash people believe that India would win the Cricket World Cup. Many people. Okay. Adjective of number. Next one is the 11th one. Dash people. Completed. Okay. Dash people believe that India would win the Cricket World Cup. That is many people. Okay. Completed. And this one is the first one. Okay. Do it in your notebook, beta. Next is fill in the blanks with correct demonstrative, interrogative or possessive adjective. First one, return dash books to Rahul. Then what will come? Return books are there, so you have to use these or those. But return these books. What you have to write? THESE. These books. Okay. Second, dash workers has fallen ill. Dash worker has fallen ill. You are asking question, then which worker? What you have to write? Second one, which worker? Okay. She gave her toys to dash girl in the pink dress. She gave her toys to that girl. What will come? That girl. Okay. Next is fourth one, dash trees behind our house have grown tall. These trees. Okay. Dash movie have you watched recently? Dash movie have you, asking questions, so what will come? Which movie? Okay. Which movie? Mrs. Sharma has hurt dash knee. Mrs. Sharma has hurt her knee. What will come? Her. Seventh one, dash advice would you give your student? Asking question. Then what advice? What will come? What? Seventh one is what advice? Please pass me dash pen. Please pass me. What you can write? Please pass me that pen also you can write, or please pass me your pen you can write. Okay. Okay. Next, the identify the adjective in these sentences and state their kind. The first one has been done for you. I have found my pen. Then my is possessive adjective. Okay. Now second one, try to do second one. It was a rainy day, hence we did not play outside. Here, rainy day. Which type of day? Rainy day. Rainy day is the adjective of quality. I am writing Q only. Okay. Quality. Okay. Write down fast. Quality. Quality. Okay. Next, children, you must have finished your classwork by now. Your work. Your classwork. If I am saying that your work. Your means adjective of possessive. Possessive adjective. But class work. Which type of work? Class work. Then it is adjective of quality. So underline both your and class. Your adjective, possessive adjective, and class quality. Adjective of quality. Completed? Now next is which. Very easy for you. Which interrogative sentence. So it is interrogative adjective. Which, underline which and write interrogative. I am writing only I in. You write full spelling. Next one, can you give me some advice? Some. Okay, some, then it is adjective of some. Underline some. Some and write quantity. Quantity. Written Q. Okay. Next is seventh one is there are 6 apples. How many apples? How many I am asking. How many? Then it is adjective of number. Okay. Adjective of number. I am writing only n. Okay. Write full spelling. Next is eighth one. These students participated in the exhibition. These means point out these students. Then what is it? It is demonstrative. Okay, write D. Demonstrative. Next is my song. My. Underline my and write my song. Whose song? My song. Then possessive. Okay. P. I am writing P. Okay. Ninth one. The color of the wall is bright. How was the color of the wall? The color of bright. It is color of the wall is bright. It is quality. Okay, quality of the wall. Okay, few tickets were available. How many tickets were available? You can count it. So it is adjective of number. Okay, completed. Okay, next is formation of adjective. How to make a word, how to change a word into adjective. Okay, like accident, like it change into accidental. Comfort, comfortable. Memory, memorable. So these are words given in your textbook, in grammar textbook, page number 20 and 21. Write these all words in your notebook and learn these also. Okay. Next is exercise D. Form adjective from the following nouns by adding ly, ful, y, able, ar, ic, ive, ish, less or oul. Okay. First one, time. Then do it. Try to do it yourself, students. If you have doubt, then ask me. Okay. Very easy. These all are. First one, timely. 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 Okay, now I am doing. Okay, timely. First one, timely. Okay. Second one, second is pain. Then pain change to painful. Write painful. 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 Okay, completed. Wonder. Then wonderful. 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 Write full spelling. Okay. Next, hill. Hill change to HILLY. Hilly. Fifth one, pity. Then pitiful. PITY change to I. Pitiful. Okay. PITIFUL. Health. Health change to healthy. 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 Doubt. Then doubtful. 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 Love. Lovely. Love change to lovely. Prince. Princely. Okay, add only ly. Princely. PRINCELY. Next is beauty. Then beautiful. BEAUTIFUL. Okay, beautiful. Next is table. Tabular. TABULAR. Okay, write fast, students. Next is memory. Then memorable. What will come? Memorable. 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 Next is profit. Profitable. Write profitable. 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 Scenery. Then scenic. 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 Expressive. 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 Girl. Then girlish. 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 Completed. Mercy. Merciful. 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 Next is mystery. Mysterious. 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 State. Stately. STATELY. Fault. Then faulty. FAULT. Only you have to add Y. Faulty. Okay, completed. Okay, form opposite of the following adjective by adding im, in, this, ir or un. Personal. First one is the personal. Then impersonal. I am. Okay. Second one, then same spelling you have to write. I am, Personal. Okay, don't write only I am, but you have to write I am, Personal. Okay, write full spelling. I am writing only I am. You write full spelling in your notebook. Rational, then what will come? Irrational. Use IR. Okay, add IR. Then same spelling, rational, irrational. Okay, next is seen, then unseen, UNSEEN, unseen. Efficient, inefficient, IN, first use IN, then same spelling, EFFICIENT. Proper, proper will change into improper. Okay, completed. Okay, next is experience, then inexperience, IN, same spelling use. Okay, organized, unorganized, UN. Real, unreal, unreal. Discipline, indiscipline, indiscipline. Mortal, immortal, IM. Okay, then use the same spelling. Okay, clear beta? Okay, I hope you all understand. Thank you.